Welcome to this quick customer tutorial on a brand new feature available for both residential and non-residential registered account customers. Following customer feedback, we've enhanced our services so that our customers now have the option to save a boundary for both residential and non-residential reports. Our new Save a Boundary functionality is available for all registered customers, which will save you a huge amount of time going forward. So if we start by logging in as a registered customer, once signed in, select Place an Order and fill in the address details as usual. The next screen, you can choose to draw the boundary yourself or request our customer service team draw the boundary for you. On this occasion, we're going to select Yes so that we can show you this new feature. So opening up your map widget and selecting Draw a Boundary, draw around the area which you wish to include within your report. You'll see the options for Next and Save a Boundary option is greyed out, but once you double click to complete your boundary, the Save Boundary option becomes available. Once you select to save the boundary, you will notice a notification at the top of your screen to say the boundary has been saved successfully. Just so you're aware, you can save up to 30 boundaries at any given time per account. To find your saved boundaries, if you hover over the account section at the top of the screen, where you'll see the new option for saved boundaries. You now have a few options of how to filter by user, date and address. All of your previously saved boundaries will appear in the list below. You've got the option to load or delete if you wish to do so. So for example, on this occasion, we're going to click the load option and this will take you to one of your previously saved boundaries. And at this point, you can proceed with the order. The saved boundary will stay on the system for up to 30 days. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to contact our customer service team